Class 3rd, Subject SS, Day 21. This is the book cover, Verse 3. Chapter number 3, I Love My India. Exercise, page number 236. In the last session, we have completed the exercise of answer this question. Before that, we have completed question A, take the correct answer. Question number B, true or false. So far, we have completed the exercise of tick the correct answer, true or false, and answer the following. Now on page number 237, question number D is there, think and answer. Let's begin the session from here. Question number D, think and answer. Which government look after the welfare of people of Chandigarh, the state government or the central government? Give reason for your answer. Again, I am repeating the question. Which government look after the welfare of the people of Chandigarh? The state government or central government? Give reason for your answer. Now, Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana as well as the Union Territory. The central government look after the welfare of people of Chandigarh. This is because Chandigarh is a Union Territory. The Union Territory are governed by central government. So who look after Chandigarh? By central government. Next one, activity. Write the names of these states in the correct column. Here the state names are given. You have to write whether it's North India or it's in West India or in East India or the South India. Gujarat comes to the west side, so it comes in West India. Punjab is in North India. West Bengal, East India. Mizoram, East India. Kerala, South India. Maharashtra, West India. Himachal, North India. And Tamil Nadu, South India. Here is the answer. You write in this way where the columns are given. North India, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. East India, West Bengal and Mizoram. West India, Gujarat and Maharashtra. South India, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Write this question in textbook as well as in SS classwork notebook. Question number D, think and answer also has to written in SS classwork notebook one time, and after writing it, do it as homework. Next question is F, project. Divide the class into 3 groups A, B and C. Now we are not at school, so I cannot divide you in the group. There are few things that you have to do at home. So whatever you like among this, you have to make any one. Either you have to collect the information about president since independence, vice president since independence, prime minister since independence. Means from the beginning till end you have to collect the information and write the tenure of that particular person. For example, President of India, the very first President of India is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And who is today's President? Ramnath Kovind. So in between whoever has come, that you have to write and you have to stick the pictures. All the information you will get from Google. Just Google it, or you make the project of president since independence, vice president since independence and prime minister since independence. Among 3 topics are there. Among this, any one can be done in your notebook or on the chart paper. Whatever you are like, do on that. Is it clear? Now G, map work. Mark and label the following on the map of India on page number 263. Turn the page, see page number 263, there is a map. Okay. So on this map you have to fill the information which I give you just now. Open the page number 263. I will show you what you have to tick and where you have to write it. Here is the map. The very first information of map is the capital of Odisha. Just search the Odisha. Here is Odisha and this is the capital of Odisha, that is Bhubaneswar. Then Uttar Pradesh. Here is Uttar Pradesh. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Gujarat. This is Gujarat and the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Assam. Here is Assam and the capital of Assam is Dispur. Next is Kerala. This is Kerala and the capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Next is Telangana. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Here is the Hyderabad. So all this capital you have to write on page number 263 of the India political map. Now next is Lakshadweep. Where is Lakshadweep? Lakshadweep is here in Arabian Sea. Next is Puducherry. It's here, Puducherry. Andaman and Nicobar Island. This is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Is it clear? Next is Arabian Sea. Where is Arabian Sea? Here is the Arabian Sea. Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is on the east side of India. Arabian Sea is on the west side of India. Indian Ocean is the south of the India. Complete this map. So what we did so far, we have written the Odisha's capital, that is Bhubaneswar, Uttar Pradesh Lucknow, Gujarat Gandhinagar, Assam Dispur, Kerala Thiruvananthapuram, Telangana Hyderabad. We have completed this much. Then we have written Lakshadweep, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar Island, and we have written Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. Is it over? The session is over. Complete the exercise and activity in SS Classwork notebook, and the project work has to be done on chart paper. Bring the chart paper, bring the stickers if you are getting the stickers of the persons, or you can take a printout, or you can write or draw yourself on poster. Okay. Thank you, children.